A recent situation in which I've installed or downloaded an app has to be through my phone, and it goes through frequent updates, so it's not really a big problem and I don't have very many issues with it. It just requires me to accept it and it downloads it by the next day. I have created a PDF before. I've created brochures to be as handouts throughout classes to be more of a visual for them and to help with the material that I'm trying to present in class. I think that the process creating a PDF through Chrome was really easy because it just required me to do a couple of steps in order to create a PDF, so it was relatively easy. And I think PDF files can be useful for me as a teacher in an educational environment through just handouts and material that can be helpful for students in their learning progress, which can be demonstrated through PDFs. So I think that's how it would be useful in the classroom. And yes, I have recorded myself through the webcam and uploaded the video for other classes that do require videos to be recorded and uploaded. I think they could be useful for me as a teacher because if I'm not present in class or if I can't teach a lesson there, I can record myself doing it and use different type of websites and be able to show them on screen and me describing it at the same time. So I think that'd be super useful.